Yo, what's up guys? 10 minutes till market open. Let's get into this shit. You know the drill. Y'all know the drill by now. It's time to make mega bread and that. Come on. Nah. If I come in the market like this, I'm gonna get fucking humbled real quick. Right, let's lock in. 10 minutes before market open, let's see what we're doing. Starting the 15-minute. I'll start in the 15-minute, guys. I don't know why. Personal preference. Sell side, inside with a 15-minute fair value gap. Quick note as well, guys, is very bullish until proven wrong. If we look at the 4-hour, respecting 4-hour bullish fair value gaps, respecting, opening more breakaway gaps, triple highs here, perfect draw on liquidity, and inversing, like boom, 4-hour fair value gap inversed, just very bullish. So we're looking for bias today, but once again my bias will change if it shows me something different. Got this high, it's low, 15-minute, might as well as 15-minute fair value gap. See what we're doing on the hourly. Got an hourly fair value gap as well, which is also that. Hourly. Boom, boom, boom. See what we want to do with market open. If we go lower at market open, I'll be looking for buys. If we go higher, we'll be looking for sells. Unless we just go in one direction. But if you don't already know, you're living under a rock. This is accumulation. It's going to be manipulation and then distribution, I guarantee. It's going to be boom, 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 oh, boom, boom, boom. You feel me? You feel me, Gango? Let's get into this shit. We got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. No buttons are being pressed until 8 minutes. Got this 5-minute as well. 5-minute, 5-minute. Bang. As always, whilst we wait, we'll run up some cheeky block blast. Come on, come on. This is the best thing to do, guys. Social waiting. Literally just wait. Do some spazzy, like fucking play a game or some shit. And just wait. Because if you don't, and you see a nice setup now, you take the trade. And yeah, maybe it starts playing out, then good job. But you've got less probability because market open can go either way. It doesn't matter what's happened. Unless it's a really obvious low. Like, we're in a 5 minute fair value gap right now. If we get an inverse to the downside, then it's very, very likely that this 15 minute fair value gap is going to get tapped into and you can go break even or just take profits. But is it worth the risk? No. So we're going to wait. Our job is to reserve our capital and keep our profits, not lose our shit and just take stupid trades. Three minutes to market open. It's time to lock in. We're not moving that much in points, so we can just up our sizer. Once again, these are evals, so we've got 3 now. I do curve a losing, but I'm not too bothered unless it was like a funded. So I am just gonna like 1-to-1 a grand, or 1-to-1 500 because to get out of the eval stage, you just want to pass them as fast as possible and get funded. 5 minute change in state of delivery. Let's say we're going higher. We've swept out this though. If we get an inverse to the downside at opener, then I'll be taking the trade to go out to that 50 minute fair value gap, which is also equal loss. This is already looking beautiful for a good setup. We'll mark out, see if this work. If we got 5 minutes aside. Not really. Have we got a 1 minute? That might look interesting. Yes, we have a nice 1 minute right here, which is also a propulsion block. I'm pretty sure they're called. I might be wrong though. You've got suspension blocks and propulsion blocks. I'm pretty sure this is a propulsion block because the volume balance isn't. There isn't 2 volume imbalances. There's just 1, which makes it a propulsion block. Taking a shot, it could be risky. Reason, we've inversed a 5 minute fair value gap, so we've got to see if we want to hold this 5 minute. Taking a shot is really risky, to be honest. But it's also very likely to play out because this just looks like manipulation. If we get the short opportunity, I'll probably take it because it looks really good. Let's see what we want to do. We tap into 0.25 of the wick. See if we can get equilibrium. There we go. It's a nice tap. It's a beautiful reaction. There's nothing there. Delete this now because we don't really need it. Still holding that. We just took equal highs. This is really good going into market opener. 30 second. So we want to hold this as a rejection block. See guys, like the 5 minutes opened up, yes. There's a 3 minute fair value gap, and it's in the highest time frame fair value gap of 1 minute. But the fact is, we took 4 hours triple highs. We're inside of a rejection block and a 1 minute propulsion block, which we're respecting. It seems if we still respect it, then if we get a 1 minute inverse, it's highly likely to play out, and I will take it, even though it is a bit risky. Honestly, I could try a bit of a new entry here. 20 points. I can try something like, see what we hold. That's a nice inverse to the downside. 50 points. 10. I really like what we're doing here, guys. This is also 124. This just looks amazing. If we inverse this gap, I'm taking it. Okay, I'm gonna wait. That's since that 5 minute change in state of delivery. Do we have a 30-second inverse? Yes, we do. We've already broke the break-even point, so we can't say this. See, I want this to be manipulation to go to the downside. To target this 15-minute fair value gap. No inverse just yet. Reverse head and shoulders pattern, if anyone knows. That bullshit logic. Oh, we're gonna go high, we made a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Bullshit logic. Retail trader logic. For now, we just gotta wait. Break even down there. See if we can get a closer. Close off this 5 minute fair value gap. Do we get an inverse? 20-second maybe. This is really good.
Order filled.
I'm already break even. Just a 1-to-1 here.
Order filled.
Break even. You went break even straight away though, because we're in a 5 minute fair value gap. If we get this 5 minute inverse, we're looking at 100 points, so it'll be about 5 cons. Okay, we're starting to respect this 5 minute. Highest time frame inverse is a 1 minute. We'll be looking at 79 points. We'd be doing about 8. 1-to-1. Be right there. Break even at the high. Unless we take the high now. It's also the first presented fair value gap. So we'll draw a middle line. I'll be taking this trade, guys, if we close here. Let's say we might want to take a high. Oh, we take the high, we have no trade now. I think we're going to go long, so I'm going to take the trade. I've got FOMO there a bit. And I've went in a lot of size, I didn't realise. We take a high and go break even. Break even. We've got quite lucky though. But it's the first percentage fair value gap what we've inversed. Let's see where we want to go.
Order filled.
It's fine. I'm taking one more trade now, and if it didn't play out, then I'm off the market. I'm gonna be honest, guys. That entry was quite shit, but I thought we'd go fast because we've inversed this first presented, and we probably still are gonna go higher now. But that entry was very shit. Yeah, we can get like a 15-second get this inverse. We can try this. And we'll be break even straight away to this high. Be looking at 50 points. Takes the high down, there's no entry.
Order filled.
So we can get that high and go break even. See that high get taken. Start going higher. Break even in case it equal highs. Nice, there's a push. What's the 1-to-1 on this? Boom. Okay, the 1-to-1 on this trade is right here. As soon as we reach that point, I'm moving my stop loss here. You see just a nice move high now. Take out them highs. Close some macro as well. We'll probably take them before macro. The reason for the 15-second entries and the half-hour entries is because we've inversed this first presented fair value gap and we made manipulation at the bottom here. We took this, so and we've got triple highs here. So I have really high conviction of these highs being taken. But we'll see. We can make a change in state delivery here as well, that'd be fab. So we can get that 1-to-1. Get that push up for the 1-to-1. There's the 1-to-1. I was stopped out 700 on the day. It's another banging trading day, guys. Let's see if we can keep this win streak going. Yeah, once again, reason for the entries is we have a 5-minute fair value gap here that we tapped into. We respected it. We're bullish until proven wrong because it's 4-hour triple highs, and we've been disrespecting and inversing 4-hour fair value gaps. Respecting and inversing 4-hour fair value gaps that are bearish. We inverse this one minute presented first fair value gap, and then we didn't quite get our entry, but then we look in the 15-second and we have a 15-second entry here. It's a bit discretionary, but we can just go break even at this high. So we went break even at that high, targeted a 1-to-1, and the 1-to-1 played out. So yeah, good shit. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.